Today's phrase is every cloud has a silver lining. This means that in challenging times, there's always a glimmer of hope or positivity that can be found. Let me illustrate this with a mini story. Once, there was a young woman named Mia who had a deep passion for painting. One stormy afternoon, as she put the finishing touches on her latest masterpiece, disaster struck. The storm broke through her window, ruining her artwork. Feeling utterly disheartened, she slumped by her window, gazing at the relentless rain, contemplating her dreams that seemed to be washed away. But as the clouds began to part and the sun emerged, shining brightly, Mia noticed how the light danced through the droplets on her window. In that moment, inspiration hit her. She picked up her brush once more, and with newfound energy, poured her emotions onto the canvas, creating a vibrant piece that captured the beauty of resilience and hope. In Mia's story, we learn that even after a storm, there can be beauty. Remember, every cloud has a silver lining. Embrace challenges, as they often lead to unexpected opportunities. Until tomorrow, keep seeking your silver lining.